Prestissima here. Today, we are going to learn a little bit about scales, keys, and modes. In music, we have different scales so that we can compose and perform music in different modes and in different keys. We compose music in different modes because we want the music to sound a certain way. We compose music in different keys because we want the music to go up and down over a certain range. Like how high is the highest note and how low is the lowest note. Here are a couple examples of different scales or modes. This is Ionian Mode. This is also what we know as major, or we might recognize it as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let me show you. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is a major scale. So on a piano keyboard, if you play all the white keys from C to C, you have a major scale. Let me show you. Now this is an example of Aeolian Mode, also known as minor mode. Now, if you look on the piano keyboard and you play all the white keys from A to A, you have a minor scale. Let me show you. Minor scale. Using solfege, we can sing a major scale by singing from do to do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. We can also sing a minor scale by singing from la to la. I'll show you. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. When we play a scale from la to la, we call that la-based minor. Let me show you again. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. We can also sing the minor scale starting on do, but it's different from the major scale, so we're going to alter some of the notes. So it starts on do, but we're going to change mi to me, and la to le, and ti to te. Let me show you. So we'll start on do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, te, do. Did you hear the differences? There are a whole bunch of other scales and modes that we're going to learn, but for now, I'll just give you one more example. This is Dorian Mode. If you were to sing on solfege from re to re, that would be a Dorian scale. So if you look on a piano keyboard, if you start on D and you played all of the white keys from D to D, that would be a Dorian scale. I'll show you. Sounded kind of different, huh? So let's remember, we use different modes and scales in music because we want music to sound a certain way, or so we can have it go up and down in range. So now we're going to learn how to play a couple of scales on the piano using specific fingerings. Let's review our finger numbers. Remember, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everyone, wiggle finger number 1, finger number 5, finger number 3, finger number 2, finger number 4, Okay, good job. Scales go up and down the music alphabet. So let's review our music alphabet. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And when we repeat it, it goes to A. Very good. Let's say the music alphabet going up 3 times in a row in rhythm, no stopping. All right, shall we try this? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Very good. Now, can we do it backwards? Starting on G, going down 3 times in a row, no stopping, in rhythm. All right, let's try it. Here we go. We've done it before. Starting on G, going down. Ready? G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Excellent! Do we remember where the music alphabet goes on the piano keyboard? Let's use Presto's piano keyboard assistant and figure it out. Okay, so remember the first thing we learned was between the 2 black keys, what goes there? We have D. And then between the 3 black keys, we had G and A. Okay, so there's G and there's A. Okay, and then at the bottom of the 2 black keys, you had C, and at the top of the 2 black keys, you had E. So let me find those. I have C here, and I have E. And then at the bottom of the 3 black keys, you had F, remember? And then at the top, you had B. So we have F. Oops, I almost lost A there. And B. So you have C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And then if it kept going, it would repeat and you would have C again up here. Remember our C major scale? It goes from C to C. You have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Let's do it on the piano. Notice when we play a scale, we play 8 notes. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But look, we only have 5 fingers on our hand, but there are 8 notes. So, I guess we'll have to use some of our fingers more than once. So, let's play the first 3 notes of this scale with our 1, 2, and 3 finger. And then we're going to start again with our thumb. Just go under there with your thumb. 1 again, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see it again. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's try it going down. We're going to use the same finger numbers that we did going up, but just going down this time. So start on 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, see how it crossed over there? Let's try it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Notice when I go up, my thumb goes under. See how it goes under? And then when I go down, my thumb is going to act as a pivot, and then I'm just going to swing my 3rd finger over. right, one more time. Now let's try it with our left hand. When we were playing with our right hand, we started on middle C. So with our left hand, let's start on the first C below middle C. And we're going to start with our 5 finger. So going up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. You saw how I swung my finger over there? Let's see it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now let's try it going down. We're going to start with our 1 finger and go down. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to swing my thumb under, so it's 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Let's do right hand and then left hand, and we'll do each one time up and down. Let's try it. Left hand. Okay, good job. We can play the A minor scale using the exact same fingering as the C major scale, just starting on A, going to A. Let me show you. For the left hand, starting on the second A below middle C. Starting now, it is super important that you practice your scales every single day. We're going to play 1 hand at a time, going up and down very, very slowly, okay? So remember, keep practicing all your songs and your scales now. Sing while you play and memorize everything. Prestissima out.